No, zdaj greva z Anžetom pisati v Glinščice.
Evo, z Borom sva se tako rekoč in no time prežarčila in gleda kar Zlatko za nama. Prideva pa kar Zlatko, nekaj neverjetnega.
Res neverjetnega.
Ne, neka smerca za ogrevanje. Niži dal. Je pa ful lepo, ker je sonček, pa smo že brez majice. Čeprav smo bili pred pol minute še v puhovki.
Luna je najlepši planet, ki se ga vidi Zemlje. Vsi ostali so sanketene zvezdice. In na Luni plezate fajn. Sploh, če je taka težka ocena.
Dober je in počasi napreduje, ampak ustrajanje. Pa iz trenutka v trenutek mu gre boljše.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long. Caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song. Sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun.
Ja, no, zdaj sem preplezal eno 7A smer. Tako, no, smer je taka, spodnji del je najprej malo bolj plata, bolj poličke, tako malo bolj tehničen, pol je malo bolj previs, tam so pa bolj veliki uprinki, ampak bolj taki odprti prijem. Pol proti vrhu se pa zaravna, ampak že malo začne navijati, tako da drugače pa lepa smer, no.
Super, sončno je. V kratkih hlačah bomo hmalo, tako kot sem napovedal.
Fuck. Banana. No, zdaj se bova pa teleportirala nazaj v Ljubljano.